This is not magic, it is science. Fill a glass with vinegar and put a bone in it. Now leave it like this for one night. Next morning, if you take out this bone and check it, then this bone will start getting banded like rubber. Calcium dissolves inside the vinegar. Take a magnet and place 2 lids on it. Place another glass on top of the lid. Now rotate a laddu on top of this glass and lift the glass up and remove it. You will see that this laddu is spinning in the air. You can put a glass in it and check that this top is not tied with any thread. If you hit a nail in this cup, then this cup will break and shatter. But if you keep this cup in water and hit a nail in it, then this nail will break. It will easily go inside and will make a hole in it. Take a paper pin and bend it in this design. Now keep this pin in this plate. Now if you pour water in this plate, then this pin will become as before. Such science experiments which should not be tried even by mistake, and certainly not the last one. When you blow into a bag and check the air in it, you will get only a little air in it, but keep the bag a little away from your mouth and blow, and then check the air. If you do this, then it will get more air than before. First of all, take a lot of candles or lamps and burn them. After that, fill a balloon with phosphoric acid gas. Then, empty this gas in a big box. Now as soon as this box is filled with these, if you do this in front of the candles, then all these candles will get extinguished. Take water in a vessel and add a little disinfecting liquid in it and set it on fire. Now the fire has started, but the fire is invisible. You can check by taking a paper near it. You can first put color on a saw, then shake this saw with the help of a string tied to a wood. Then a design like this will be formed on it. Take a little water, add dish soap to it, and mix it well. Then you have to put some gas in it and take it in your hand wearing fireproof gloves. Now if you set it on fire, it will catch fire.